Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your battery. This is a C300. The type battery it uses is a 40 get it to focus. It's a 48 series battery, and I'm going to show you how to change your battery. So once again guys, let's get this started. So you want to come over here to your left side of your screen. This is where the battery is located. So go ahead and remove this right here, and remove this right here also. And your battery is down here. So you just pull up on this like that, and your battery gonna be right here. Okay, so you're gonna need 10 millimeter for this right here, and it's gonna be 10 millimeter for this right here also. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and take out the battery. Oh, and I forget to show you down here, down there, it will right there, that's a 13 millimeter. I think it's a 13 millimeter, but I will double check and make sure it's a 13 millimeter. So you're gonna need an extension and sockets, and also a ratchet handle. Okay, so 10 millimeter right here. First thing first, take off your negative cable and then your positive cable. Alright, get those out the way. You want to get your extension and your 13 millimeter. And by the way, wherever I use this, you can use a ratchet handle. You don't need you don't need a drill like this. Take this out, and I'll also take this out. Okay, next thing is to get the battery. That will be your next step. You just lift off the battery. Oh, one more thing you gotta remove. I just realized I forget to remove this little vent right here. So go ahead and remove the vent like that. Then we can lift it out. Okay. Alright guys, so I noticed this right here, 48 series. Get the focus. The 48 series right there, that's the wrong battery. This is it's a 94 series. Because the computer told me 48, that's why I said 48 in the beginning, but then when I take out the battery I know it's way bigger than the 48 series, so go ahead and put this in. Alright, 94R is the battery size. You'll make sure your positive is where your positive is supposed to be on this side, and your negative is where your negative is supposed to be on this side. Alright. So you're gonna wanna clear the cable. And you wanna clear your cable like that. And set that properly. Go ahead and get this right here. Get that in and connect your 13 millimeter. find a hold on here because this is a little tricky. Alright guys, so after that you want to get your take off these right here. Take off these and you can go ahead and put on your negative cable. And what you can do is right here put back your vent tube in your battery. So 30mm, I already tightened that down there. Get the 10mm. A link will be in the description for all the tools I use. I would probably won't put this, I'll just put a regular ratchet handle. So there you go. So the vent, you want to hook the top first like this and then come down like this, lock it in place. You want to put this back right here, make sure it sits properly, and lock that, turn it to the lock position, turn that back to the lock position. So that's looking good so far. So next thing, we're going to go in the car and crank the car up. So now we're in the car. Turn on the ignition for like a few seconds. So turn on that like that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and crank the car up. So there you go. That's everything right there. As you see, everything is good. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. Help me help you. That's how you change your battery on a 2017 C300 Mercedes-Benz. Okay, peace out, see you next time.